out with Scooter, play Call of Duty with sharpshooters, or throw some Hadoukens on Street Fighter. Can I ride you? It's all up to you. We got different varieties, so before you get burned out on fighting, throw on some Need for Speed. On your mark, get set, let's roll out.
What's up? What's up? And today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and a review from Banggood. I got this stuff from Banggood like 3 months ago, and it's just coming today. So I'm gonna let you know this is a place in China, and it takes forever for you to get your stuff. So I wouldn't advise anyone to order from there. Now unless you got a lot of patience. If you got a lot of patience, then cool. But if not, don't order from there. Don't order from here. Okay, today I will be unboxing a RC dirt bike made by BSD Racing. You can't find these nowhere in America, so you have to order them from like Italy, you know, China and stuff like that. So this was the only place I could have found one. So that's what I did. So let's start with this quick unboxing. Okay, let's see what we got. Excuse my kids and stuff in the background. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I waited a long time for this thing to come. Let's see what we got. Let's turn it upside down. Make sure you guys get a good look at this. And whoa, y'all see that? Nice. See this? Nice, right? BSD Racing. I ain't gonna talk too much. I just want to show y'all what it is. You know. Okay, let's start unboxing it. See how big this joker is. Oh man! And when I open the box, you can see it's inside of there. Sorry guys, my camera went dead, but let's finish unboxing, okay? So here we got okay. This right here is the transmitter, the remote. All of your settings and stuff goes right here. Well, you set all your settings here. Alright. Let's do this in a orderly fashion. Make sure we don't make a mess here. Okay. This is what we're left with. This is what we're left with. Okay, let's get this out of here. Kind of heavy. This right here is the instruction manual. See that? Out the way. Whoa, this thing is huge. Okay. There it is. It's pretty big. I don't know if it's charged. But I'm gonna power it on and drive it so y'all can see how it goes and stuff like that. These right here, this one comes with the slick tires. So I ordered a different set of tires. So let's open that. That's from Banggood. For a second, I thought this stuff wasn't coming. Tires. These are the on-road tires. On-road, the ones that's on here, is the off-road. And I think this tire is too big for this. So I think I fucked up and got the wrong size. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about this thing here. BS 404T on-road motorbike. Right? That's how the box looks all around, in case you're wondering. It goes 60 miles per hour. It's the other side. Yes, sir. But yeah, you see, it has a real chain on it, like a real chain, like the same type of chain that's on a dirt bike. Real suspension. It's crazy. Smooth suspension too. Yeah, see that? Smooth. Trying to find the power button. And it has a gyro in the back tire. The gyro keeps it balanced when you're driving. Without a gyro, it'll be falling over every 5 minutes. As soon as you go, it'll fall over. Boom. With the gyro built into it, it helps it keep its balance when you're riding at a slow speed. Let's see if we can make this thing come on. Probably can't because it needs to be charged. And that's something I'm gonna have to do. So I may have to come back in another video and show y'all how this thing rides. The man is on there pretty stable. You know, his feet and everything is attached pretty good. Got the BSD racing logo across the bike. It's dope, man. I like it. Your remote takes AA batteries, 4 AA batteries, right? Okay. The dirt bike has a battery pack inside that needs to be plugged in. See, this needs to be plugged in. Okay. Gotta get this battery pack back in. Okay. Little button underneath here. Press it. helps it balance when you're riding at a slow speed. Yes, the manual. Steel bike chain, wheelie function, 360-degree turn, aluminum frame, anti-side slip bars, self-perfect balancing, easy accessible battery box. Gyro balance system, that's the thing that's spinning right now on the gyro. Gyro balance system, optional electric gyro available. Just telling you everything you need to know about it, how to replace the parts, stuff like that, you know. Stuff a manual usually tells you. So now we outside with it, and now we about to power it on. See what it do. Let's see how it rides. That's the gyro in the back of it. It's building up, it's spinning, and what that does is keep the dirt bike balanced. To keep it balanced so it won't fall over. So, turn the transmitter on. Ooh, riding it steady. Yeah, I'm not giving it too much gas.
That's it.
Pop the wheel. Woo-wee. We're gonna shut it off. And that's it for this, man. The BSD Racing 404T RC dirt bike. And yeah, man, it's very fast. I think this thing goes like 45 to 60 miles per hour. I'm not sure, but it's really fast. It's as fast as my dirt bike I have over here, like my actual dirt bike. So yeah, it's a good product, nice and sturdy, hard to break, rides very fast. It's not your average Walmart RC car.
And you can have a lot of fun with this thing, man. I would say it's mostly for adults. Adult need to get a hold of this and ride one of these, but a kid can learn how to do this too. You know, that's it. Yeah, that's it for this product. I will be playing with this a lot. Thanks for watching Gaming with Scooter, and I'll be back with more unboxings and more gaming videos. Peace.
We gon'